Referrals and reviews are important to every home service contractor to be able to perpetuate revenue consistently. Hey, I'm Gary Geiman with DMN8 Partners, and this is a referral as well as a review strategy that we help contractors put in place, and it's called simply, hey, I want to buy you lunch. And so what you do is you reach out to your satisfied customers and you ask them for referrals, because here's the deal. If you don't ask, you're not going to get. But you have to do it in a way that they see it as number one, helping you, and what's in it for them, because everybody wants to know what is in it for them. Hey, I want to buy you lunch. I know you were satisfied with XYZ that we did for you. If you provide me with 3 family, friends, neighbors who need that same service, and you can send that to me within the next, say your time, couple days, week, whatever, I'll send you a $10 gift certificate to Chick-fil-A for lunch. You can make your parameters be whatever you want them to be, but provide the carrot of lunch and or dinner, whatever it is you prefer and based upon your average ticket. But hey, I want to buy you lunch. Tell me the 3 friends, family, neighbors who need the service, provide their name, phone number, address, email. I'll reach out and take care of them just as well as I took care of you. And in doing these things, you're going to create customer goodwill. You're going to create buzz about your company. And every time they use that gift card to buy lunch, they're going to think of you and your company. So buy your customers lunch, get some referrals, get reviews, make that money. Let's dominate.